Green light go, that's all I know. And when I roll, I'm in control. Don't matter what they say, no, I don't care. Ain't gonna walk away until I'm there. Move all day and I never get tired. Move all day and I never give up. Move all day and I never get tired. Move all day and I never give up. Move all day and I never get tired. Move all day and I never give up. Move all day and I never get tired. Move all day and I never give up. Won't stop till I get that. I won't stop. Won't stop till I get that. Till I get that.
Hi, I'm Dinie, founder of Legal Buddies. Still wondering how actually legal buddies assist people? Let's watch our successful testimony, Miss Misha, and how we deal with her car repossession problem.
Hello, Miss. Are you Nur Amisha? And are you the owner of this car?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Actually, I'm looking for bank. I'm here to repossess the car.
But why?
Based on our record, you have not paid the car earlier for 3 months, and a notice has been served to you.
I just received the notice like 3 days ago, and I was given a period like 7 days to settle my arrears. But it only been 3 days. My car is about to be repossessed. How can it be like this?
I'm sorry, Miss. I'm just doing my job. Whatever the problem is, please deal the bank. And your car has to be reformed today. Please cooperate with us, please. So, please give me the key.
Annie, what has happened to you?
My car has been repossessed by the owner.
I'm sorry, miss, to hear that, but are you okay right now?
To be honest, I'm not really okay, and I'm really shocked because I just received the notice like 3 days ago, and I already paid the car for like 8 years already. But suddenly today, the representative of the owner came and repossessed my car.
Hold on, miss. You have paid up to 8 years, and the notice has been served to you the last 3 days. Something is not right there.
Wait, what do you mean?
Miss, in every situation, we need to know our rights. Similar to this case, the possession of car, you must know what is your right.
I don't know because I've been studying for the law subject.
It's okay, miss. It's not a big deal. Your problem soon will be resolved.
But how?
That's it.
Have you ever worried about your car getting taken back because of a hire purchase agreement? Are you facing this problem currently? Well, we are here to help you to understand your rights using Misha's case as an example. So, when you are in a hire purchase deal, you are the hirer until you pay off the whole loan. Repossession is a thing if you miss payments, but there are rules. According to Section 16, Clause 1 of the Hire Purchase Act 1967, there are 3 conditions must be met for the owner to repossess. First, the loan balance is over 75%. Second, there are 2 months of missed payments, which is default payment. And third, the owner gives you a written notice within 21 days. Now, Misha's story is interesting. She missed payments for 2 months, which fulfilled the second condition. But here's the twist. She had already paid for 8 years for the loan. What does it mean? This means that the loan will be in 9 years because the hire purchase for a car in Malaysia is always in 9 years maximum. When Misha had paid for 8 years out of 9 years loan, it definitely means that she had paid over 75% of loan. Based on Section 16 Clause 1A, if you have paid more than 75% of your loan and missed 2 payments, the owner can't take your stuff without a court order. Another section, which is Section 17A Clause 1, says the owner needs a written permit from the controller, for example KPTNKK, Kementerian Perdagangan Dalam Negeri, Koperasi dan Kepenggunaan. Breaking this rule is an offence based on Section 17B. Now, for Misha's case, she missed payments for 2 months, meeting the second condition. But wait, she paid over 75% already. said she paid for 8 years for a 9-year loan, which of course that she had paid for over 75%. So, Ricky can't just take the car. He needs a court order even if he meets other rules. Also, Ricky's notice was within 21 days, but he didn't show his permit. So Ricky didn't fulfill the rules to take the car, and he didn't show the permit. So Ricky can't take the car. Now, let's pass it to Martin for more on the forced repossessions issue. Martin, here you go.
Thank you for your legal insights, Mei. Now let's dive into the procedure of repossessioning. If you always keep up with your car loan payments, congratulations. However, failing to meet those obligations can lead to repossession by the bank. Now let's dive into our current case where Misha has paid 75% of her car loan. The question arises, does Ricky, the owner, have the right to repossess the car? Firstly, the owner, in this case Ricky, must serve Misha with a written notice known as the fourth schedule notice, expressing the intention to retake possession of the car. This notice must provide a period not less than 21 days after service, as stipulated in Section 16 Clause 1. Importantly, the 21 days period must expire before any repossession can occur, emphasizing the legal timeline of this process as established in the case of Pang Bros Motor Sendirian Berhad and Lee Aing Seng. Ricky, as the owner, is obligated to personally deliver to Misha a document acknowledging receipt of the goods, containing a detailed description and the date, time and the place of repossession as stipulated in Section 16 Clause 4 and 5. Within 21 days after repossession, Ricky must serve on Misha and any guarantors a notice in writing known as the fifth schedule notice as per Section 16 Clause 3. Furthermore, under Section 17, Ricky cannot sell or dispose of the goods for 21 days after the fifth schedule notice has been served. Any attempt to do so within this period will be a violation. Last but not least, if Ricky intends to sell the goods before the expiration of 21-day period, he must obtain Misha's written consent, demonstrating a legal requirement for cooperation between the owner and the hirer. It is crystal clear that Ricky does not follow the procedures and he can't repossess the car. Now the next discussion will be led by Nabila. Nabila, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Mei and Martin. Now, let's discuss what should Misha do if the car has been repossessed, or what should you do if your car has been repossessed by the bank. According to Section 18 Clause 1 of the Hire Purchase Act, after 21 days of notice have been served to Misha, she must send a written notice to the owner, which is Ricky, and signed by her or her agent to ask the car to be re-delivered to her. However, Misha must comply with the conditions stated under Section 19, Clause 1 of the Hire Purchase Act. First, after sending the notice to Ricky, Misha must pay the amount due or the balance of the payment to Ricky. Misha must pay the amount which has been incurred by Ricky to remedy the breach caused by Misha. And according to Section 19 Clause 1C, Misha also must pay the amount which is incurred by Ricky due to the repossession of the car and to re-deliver the car back to her. And after all these three have been done by Misha, then only Ricky need to send the car back to Misha. When all the conditions in Section 19 Clause 1 of the Hire Purchase Act have been fulfilled, then Ricky should send the car back to Misha, and it is as like the repossession had never been occurred and the breach had not occurred. So that's how Misha can get back her car, and that's what you should do if your car has been repossessed by the bank. That's all from us. Thank you.
I hope by now all of you already understand on how legal bodies works and how we help people to understand their rights. Thank you.